good afternoon, good evening, whichever part of the world you are joining us from. Global Council for the Promotion of International Trade, GCPIT, Global Council for Cluster Excellence in Research, GCCR, Confederation of Indian Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, CAMSME, UFirst Eduversity, along with our partners, SDG Chowpal India, People of Impact UAE, Positive Ed Limited UK, Predixa UAE, Center for Environment Education Nepal, Southern Voice Peru, Innovation Technology Transfer Office FITT IIT Delhi, Go Nomading Private Limited Singapore, True Complexion Malaysia, Impact Trackers Singapore, Griha Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment New Delhi, India, the Energy and Resources Institute, TERI, New Delhi, India, Global Foundation for Advancement of Environment and Human Wellness, New Delhi, India, Serrano, Africa, Nairobi. We are proud to celebrate together the Global Sustainable Development Summit 2021 for unlocking the potential of SMEs for SDGs. A very warm welcome to all of you to day 18 and the final day of the summit. I'm Aparna G. Kumar, the Global Co-Chairperson of GCPIT and your host for the event. On behalf of GCPIT, I express our heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for joining us today and supporting us always. Global Council for the Promotion of International Trade, or GCPIT, is one of the fastest growing organizations based out of India and South Africa, with board and council member representation across the world. The objective of this organization is to implement relevant major national development strategies, promote foreign trade, bilateral investment in economical and technological cooperation, carry forward cooperation with overseas trade promotion counterparts, receive overseas high-end trade and economic delegations, and much, much more. GCPIT supports entrepreneurs through its three verticals, which are the MSME growth vertical, where we handhold and support the existing SMEs, the W Combinator, where we empower and support women entrepreneurs and leaders, and the SDGs Global Impact Startups, where we encourage startups focusing on the SDGs. The last whole year, we have organized many premium online events like the Global Women's Business Summit, the Womenomics Global Mission, the Global Technology Summit, the Global Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship Summit, the Global Women in Trade Summit, only to name a few. As you can see, at GCPIT, we are constantly on the lookout for new and innovative ways to assist businesses in expanding their global reach. And it is with this vision that we launched the Global Sustainable Development Summit 2021 with a focus on how SMEs can support and at the same time gain by following the roadmap provided by the SDGs. We started the summit on August 27, 2021, and we met every weekend discussing in detail about two SDGs, and we had the opportunity to meet and listen to 164 plus expert speakers talking about the UN Sustainable Development Goals from goal number 1 to goal number 17, thus making this event one of the biggest summits exclusively focusing on sustainability. A lot of learning happened in these 3 months, and we are continuing the journey towards sustainability with Sustainomics, a magazine which will cover articles and research papers focusing on sustainability, the Global Sustainability Awards 2021, which will be GCPIT's next step towards supporting the global goals. We don't stop here. We also have announced the Global Sustainable Business Summit 2021, powered by CMSME, GCPIT, and GCCR. This critical year for global recovery has brought numerous problems as well as new perspectives for and transformational opportunities for businesses, making it more vital than ever to come together to debate and discuss pressing issues at the global level. The Global Sustainable Business Summit will be one of its kind discussion forum for policymakers, business leaders, and academics. This year's summit will focus on companies' continuous digital and sustainable transformations, as well as reinvigorated collaboration with its long-term partners and neighbors, the three significant industry verticals that are vital to global recovery. This issue will be current in reflecting on enterprises' contributions to the global economic recovery efforts, the Green Deal, and the post-COVID-19 future through a virtual format. The three-day summit will be happening from 9th to 11th of December. And we all know that global goals can be realized only with strong global partnerships and cooperation. Let's all come together once again, be part of the summit, and do our small bit towards the global recovery of businesses and the 2030 agenda. We all have a part to play, and every small step counts. As Mahatma Gandhi said, let us be the change we wish to see in this world. I once again thank you all for joining us today, and let me thank our partners for their unconditional support. Now it's time to listen to our speakers today as they focus exclusively on SDG 17 and how SMEs can contribute towards achieving the global goals through partnerships and collaboration.